So I'm going to start this out with boneless, skinless chicken thighs. I got a casserole dish here, and I'm simply going to add about a pound of chicken thighs. I'm cooking for 4, by the way. So a pound of chicken thighs in my casserole dish. I'm going to give it a little bit of oil just on top. Not a lot. I'm not trying to deep fry this or anything. And then I'm going to use my favorite Cajun seasoning. And I'm going to give it a little sprinkle. Not too much. Way too much. Perfect. I'm going to cover this. You can cover it with aluminum foil. I've got a lid. This is going to go into a 350-degree oven for about an hour. I'm going to go with about 3/4 cup of avocado oil. This is a very neutral, high heat oil. And then I'm also going to put equal amount in of flour. And then I'm going to grab a whisk and I'm going to mix this thoroughly. I'm going to cook this down to a nice chocolate color. And now my life is this for the next 35, 40 minutes. The key here is to just keep it moving. I'm not trying to burn it. I just want a nice dark color. Low and slow is the key here. You'll see it, speed this up on time lapse, of course, and you'll see it getting darker and darker. Well, this has been cooking about 30, 35 minutes, and it's really come together. Real nutty aroma throughout the house. So I'm going to turn up the heat, and I'm going to bring it on home. I'm going to get it nice and dark. And this is critical here. You don't walk away for anything. This is where you will burn it in a heartbeat. And if you do, you have to start all over. Hopefully my little cooker here can handle it. You can see how much darker it got. Okay, now I'm going to hit this with fresh thyme. I'm going to use a hatch chili. This is where you can use a jalapeno or something like that to give it some heat. I'm going to give that a little mix, and I'm going to grab the rest of my vegetables. I've got 2 stalks of celery, 1 medium onion, 1 bell pepper, chopped. All in there, give it a good mix. Amount of salt, probably a good solid teaspoon of flaky salt, and about a tablespoon of your favorite seasoning, Cajun-seasoned. And I'm going to soften these vegetables up a little bit. Smells amazing in here. This is that chicken that I put in the oven earlier. Add that to the pot. And then the nice lady on the internet showed me this trick. It's about a 1/2 cup chicken stock or chicken juices, and I'm going to hit it with another maybe 3 cups. Then I'm going to just break this chicken up. If it doesn't fall apart now, it will in about 10 minutes. Smoked sausage. I'm adding about a 1/2 pound because, again, I'm cooking for 4, not necessarily 10. But this is a great meal to cook for a batch because it's cheap. Chicken thighs and sausages, you probably have everything else in your pantry. Flour, oil, peppers, onion. Good little southern boy. I'd hit this with okra, but I'm not going to. A couple of bay leaves, and I'm going to let this simmer for about 20 minutes while I make my rice. Let that chicken go ahead and fall apart and heat up that sausage.